Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Japanese organization is probably one of the most sought-after solutions for decluttering and creating serene living spaces, drawing inspiration from the minimalist and functional aesthetics deeply ingrained in Japanese culture. This approach emphasizes maximizing utility within limited areas, transforming chaotic rooms into havens of order and tranquility through clever storage techniques and a mindful selection of items. Viewers will discover how these principles can be applied to their own homes, regardless of size, to foster a sense of calm and efficiency that goes beyond mere tidiness, ultimately enhancing their daily lives and well-being. Number 5. GOGOODA Mesh Laundry Bag Set. Introducing our 5-piece laundry bag set, designed for maximum efficiency. This versatile combo includes various sizes perfect for sorting all your family's laundry needs, from bedding to delicates. Experience superior protection with our ultra-fine silky mesh. This breathable material allows water and detergent to flow through easily, safeguarding your delicate garments from pilling and snagging. Our bags feature an upgraded autolock zipper with a protective cover. This ensures they stay securely closed during wash cycles, preventing scratches to your clothes and machine. Keep your laundry organized and protected with these bags. They prevent tangles and reduce wear and tear, making them ideal for both washing and travel organization. Built to last, these laundry bags are made with reinforced stitching and tear-resistant material. They are designed to withstand hundreds of wash cycles, maintaining their shape and integrity. What we like? This set offers a complete solution for all your laundry needs, with bags for everything from bedding to delicates. The ultrafine mesh ensures your garments are protected from pilling and snagging. If you're looking for a comprehensive system to keep your clothes safe during washing and travel, this is the choice for you. What people say? The product is well-made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that fits well with any decor. The organization features are very practical and help keep things tidy. Number 4. Home IT Broom and Mop Holder Wall Mount. Introducing a versatile wall mount designed to keep your cleaning tools, garden equipment, and everyday items neatly organized. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to easy access. Setting up this organizer is a breeze. With all the necessary hardware included, you can quickly mount it indoors or outdoors, transforming any space into an organized haven. This durable rack is built to last, capable of holding up to 11 tools securely. Each slot supports up to 7.5 pounds, ensuring even heavy items are held firmly in place. Featuring non-slip, soft rubber grips, it securely holds everything from wet mops to baseball bats. The easy-release slots allow for quick and convenient retrieval of your tools. Beyond cleaning supplies, this versatile holder is perfect for organizing umbrellas, shopping bags, coats, and more. Reclaim your floor space and bring order to your home. This essential organizer is your solution for a clutter-free home, a tidy garage, and an efficient garden. It's the perfect storage rack for any area that needs organizing. What we like? This organizer provides robust storage for up to 11 tools, with a high weight capacity per slot. Its versatile design works for garages, gardens, and even household items. If you need a durable and easy-to-install solution to declutter your tools and free up floor space, this wall-mounted rack is ideal. What people say? The product is well-made and sturdy. It has a lot of compartments for organizing different items. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. Number 3. Spicy Shelf Expandable Under Sink Organizer. Setting up your new organizer is a breeze. It comes in just a few pieces and can be assembled in minutes, ready to transform your space. This organizer is designed to adapt to you. You can easily adjust its width, height, and depth to perfectly fit your space and plumbing. Crafted from high-quality, durable plastic, this organizer is built tough. It's designed to hold up to 40 pounds, easily accommodating all your essentials. Beyond the kitchen and bathroom, this organizer is perfect for any room. Its flexible design makes it ideal for all your storage needs, wherever you need them. We stand by our products with a 1-year warranty. If anything happens, we're here to help ensure your complete satisfaction. What we like? This organizer offers exceptional flexibility with adjustable width, height, and depth to fit perfectly around your plumbing. Its sturdy construction can hold up to 40 pounds of supplies. If you have a challenging undersink space or need a customizable storage solution for cleaning supplies, this expandable shelf is your best bet. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any room. The organization system is very efficient and helps keep things tidy. Number 2. SpaceAid Bamboo Bag Storage Organizer. Tired of messy kitchen drawers? Introducing a simple solution to keep your food storage bags perfectly organized and easily accessible. No matter the size, gallon, quart, sandwich, or snack, this organizer is designed to hold them all. Everything stays neat and in its place. Crafted from beautiful, natural bamboo, this organizer adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. It's built to last and complement your decor. Forget complicated assembly. This organizer comes fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box. Just place it in your drawer and start organizing. Included label stickers help you identify contents at a glance. Or, choose a clean, minimalist look by not using the labels. The choice is yours. With 4 convenient slots, it efficiently stores various bag sizes, making the most of your drawer space. Keep your kitchen tidy and functional. What we like. This organizer is designed to bring order to your kitchen drawers, specifically for food storage bags. Its natural bamboo aesthetic and multiple slots make it easy to keep different bag sizes neatly separated. If you want a simple, ready-to-use solution to declutter your food bag storage and maintain a clean drawer, this is a great option. What people say. This is a very practical and useful product. It is very easy to use and assemble. The product is well made and durable, and it looks great in my home. It has a lot of storage space and can hold a lot of items. Number 1. SpaceAid WrapNeat 3-in-1 Wrap Organizer. Tired of a messy kitchen? Our bamboo wrap organizer brings beauty and order to your food storage. It's designed to neatly hold your essential kitchen wraps. This dispenser is ideal for plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper. It's designed for standard 12-inch rolls, ensuring a perfect fit for your needs. Included are 21 label stickers to help you easily identify contents. You can choose to label it for clarity or keep its natural look. With 3 slots in one box, organizing your wraps is simple. The larger opening in the middle makes finding the start of each roll effortless. Each slot features a built-in slide cutter for a clean, precise cut every time. It also securely holds each roll, preventing it from unraveling. Place it in your drawer for convenient storage or mount it on the wall to save space. This versatile organizer adapts to your kitchen layout. What we like. This organizer streamlines kitchen storage by holding plastic wrap, aluminum foil, and wax paper in one place. Each slot features a built-in cutter for clean, easy dispensing. If you're tired of fumbling with multiple rolls and want a stylish, efficient way to manage your kitchen wraps, this dispenser is a must-have. What people say. The product is well made and durable. It has a sleek and modern design that fits well in any room. The organization system is very efficient and helps keep things tidy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.